Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to force close an unresponsive application on Windows 11. So the easiest way to just turn off any application is press Alt F4 on your keyboard. Otherwise, Control Alt Delete and go to Task Manager, or just go down to Search right here and type in Task Manager, and then open this up. Now, if you go to the processes and maybe you got an application, here's Discord, for example. If I go to Discord, I can just go to end task. It'll end the task, usually. Now, sometimes it doesn't end the task. So I have the issue with Corel Video Studio, this application down here. And when I close it, it's still open in the background processes. So make sure you go under background processes to see if you have the application listed under here as well. So maybe it's gaming services, the Xbox game bar or whatever. Just go under the background processes too and try ending it under there as well. And most of the times you can just relaunch it and it should work. Now these icons down here at the taskbar, you can also go to these and you can force close the application. So I don't know which one I want to go to. Just right click on it and go to close window. And most of the time you can close it there, or otherwise this little up arrow, show hidden icons. And these are going to be some stuff that runs in the background. So like NVIDIA, GeForce, whatever. Let's go and just click it and we can exit it out there. So multiple different ways. Usually the easiest way to just close an application is hit Alt F4 on your keyboard and it'll close whatever you got up. Hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.